Alright, so in this video I'm going to show everybody how to create a boarding reservation and how to delete a boarding reservation using Impromed. So the first thing we're going to do is, after we log on to Impromed, we're going to search for the patient that needs to come into board. And I'm just going to use my dog. This pop-up that you see is important and you do need to read it. Sometimes it will give you special information on a pet, like if they are anxious while boarding and need to be in rehab. And also it will tell you if a pet is exempt from certain vaccines. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and go to the boarding module, which looks like this. On the left-hand side, you'll see the cage types. We're going to go ahead and reserve a medium-sized kennel. And we're going to choose March 6th, which is a Friday, until Monday, which is March 9th. Right-click it and select Create New Reservation. At the top, you'll see Status Type, which should read Reserved, but we do have other options. And then where it says Reservation Types, this is where you can put multiple dogs into one kennel or just the one. If you are going to do multiple pets, you need to select which category and then make sure you click which animal is going into the same kennel. In this case, I'll just do one dog into one kennel. You'll want to put your initials at the very bottom and then click OK. The last thing that you'll want to do is make sure the pet is good on vaccines, which is right here. Green thumbs up means they're good on vaccines. And the red stop sign means that they are past due. If they are due, you will need to inform the client. That way they are aware. If you don't see anything, you need to go ahead and ask the client if the pet is good on vaccines or not. If the pet isn't good on vaccines, they will probably have to get vaccinated while boarding, or ask where they went to get the pet vaccinated and go ahead and have records faxed over to us. The next thing I'm going to show you guys is how to delete a reservation. So what you want to do is find the reservation that needs to be deleted and make sure it's the correct one. And then you will right click it. And then you'll go down to where it says Remove Selected Reservation. And click Yes. There also is another way you can delete a reservation, which is pulling up the client and going to the calendar on the bottom right hand side. Finding the reservation, right-clicking it, and hitting Delete Reservation. And then yes. And then it disappears. And that is how you create a boarding reservation and how you delete a reservation.